Have you ever wondered how cream is made in a factory? This seemingly simple question opens the door to a world of culinary wonder and scientific precision. Cream, a dairy product cherished by many, graces our tables in various forms, from the whipped delight on our desserts to the silky ingredient in our favorite dishes. Yet the journey of cream from the dairy farm to your table isn't as straightforward as you might imagine. It's a complex symphony of processes and technologies that ensure the cream you enjoy is of the highest quality. This marvel of dairy product production begins with the humble cow and ends in the factory where the magic truly happens. And within these factories, an intricate ballet of machines and skilled workers bring you the cream you love and trust. So, are you ready to dive into the fascinating world of cream production? Did you know that the journey of cream begins in a dairy farm? That's right, the creamy goodness that we all love starts its life in a fairly humble way. Imagine a dairy farm brimming with cows contentedly grazing on lush green pastures. These cows are the unsung heroes of our story, producing the milk that is the lifeblood of cream production. The first step in this journey is the collection of milk, a daily routine on dairy farms. The cows are milked using modern milking machines that are both efficient and gentle on the animals. Once the milk is collected, it's transported to cream-making factories. This isn't just a leisurely journey, though. The milk must be kept at a cool temperature to ensure its freshness. And so, it's transported in refrigerated tankers where the temperature is meticulously monitored. Upon arrival at the factory, the milk is stored in large tanks that are temperature controlled to maintain its quality. Now you might be thinking, we've got the milk, but where does the cream come in? Well, within this milk lies the secret to our creamy delight. You see, milk is a mixture of water, proteins, minerals, and fat. When left to settle, the fat, which is lighter, rises to the surface. This layer of fat is what we know as cream. However, in a factory setting, we don't just wait for the cream to rise naturally. Instead, the milk is put through a process called pasteurization. During pasteurization, the milk is heated and then quickly cooled. This not only kills any bacteria present, but also causes the cream to rise to the top much faster. The cream is then skimmed off, leaving behind the skimmed milk. So the next time you pour cream into your coffee, remember its humble beginnings in a dairy farm. From the cows grazing in the fields, through the journey in refrigerated tankers, to the pasteurization process in the factory, it's a fascinating journey that brings this delicious treat to your table. But how exactly do factories separate cream from milk? Let's explore this. The magic happens in a process called centrifugation. Imagine a merry-go-round spinning faster and faster. Now replace the horses with milk and you've got the basic idea. In this process, milk is spun at incredibly high speeds. The force generated by this spinning pushes the heavier components of the milk, mainly water and non-fat solids, towards the outer edge. The lighter fat globules, which we know and love as cream, are propelled to the center. This separation occurs in large machines called centrifuges, which are essentially high-speed spinning vessels. Centrifuges are the unsung heroes in the cream-making process, tirelessly spinning milk into its delicious components. So, next time you're enjoying a dollop of cream on your favorite dessert, remember the science and the machines that made it possible. And there you have it, the science behind cream separation. Once the cream is separated, what happens next? Let's dive into it. The next crucial step is pasteurization, a bit of a tongue twister, but a vital process nonetheless. The cream is heated to a specific temperature, typically around 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Why, you ask? Well, this high heat is the terminator for any harmful bacteria that may be lurking in the cream, ensuring it's safe for us to consume. But we can't have our cream piping hot now, can we? So, it's quickly cooled down, bringing it back to a more palatable temperature. Now for the grand finale, our now pasteurized and cooled cream is ready to be packaged. It's filled into containers, sealed, and voila, ready to hit the shelves. From grazing cows to spinning separators, from intense heat to icy cool, every step is a testament to the marvel of food science. And that's how cream is made in a factory, from cow to carton. So, to recap, we've embarked on a delightful journey, starting from our bovine friends who provide the milk. The cream, a luscious byproduct, is then separated through the whirlwind process of centrifugation. Lastly, we ensure safety and longevity through pasteurization before neatly packaging it for your convenience. The next time you enjoy a dollop of cream, remember the fascinating journey it took to get to your table. Thanks for joining us on this creamy adventure.